Look around your house. How safe do you think it is? If you have a child you're expecting, or even if you have family members with small children, especially with spring break going on right now, and kids might be coming in and out of your house, and you don't have a lot of kids around normally, your house probably needs to be baby-proofed to prevent accidents. There are some obvious places we all know about that you can start, but there are also some you may not think of. Dr. Norina Ocampo of West Boca Medical Center is joining us with some tips and tricks. Thanks so much for joining us. Very important topic, especially when you talk to me about the numbers of how many accidents happen in homes every year, and they could be prevented with some simple baby proofing.
Probably almost all of them can be prevented. If you look at numbers, there are over 9 million accidents unintentionally in household injuries every year. And with that, we have 12,000 deaths in children 0 to 19 years of age. 1,000 of those are in babies, and 2/3 of those are due to suffocation.
Really? What are some of the most dangerous areas for babies that parents wouldn't think are dangerous?
Well, basically, parents should really get down on the floor and crawl around and look at baby's eye level to see what could be a danger. When you're standing up, you'd have a different perspective than when you're on the floor. But the first place to really start is the crib. No blankets, no stuffed animals, no bumpers, nothing that the baby can suffocate from.
Very good point. And I know there's some other areas you can baby-proof in your home. You've actually got some gadgets that you can show us that parents can install pretty simply.
Correct.
Let's start at your end.
Well, basically you have contraptions to put on cabinet knobs and handles so that the babies can't open the cabinets. We have corner protectors for furniture, but if the furniture also has a hard edge, they make these padded circular protector pads to cover the entire hard edges.
That's just not something I think a lot of people would think of right away.
Right, because baby will fall and hit their head on the edge of the table or even on the corner, and that can cause a pretty serious injury. These are for appliances, so babies can't open appliances, so a lot of parents don't think about that, and these tape on, and so babies are unable to open appliance doors and get inside. And
does this work on washers and dryers, dishwashers?
Ovens, everything.
That's very good.
So you can put it on anything. Your standard outlet cover, these are doorknob holders so that babies, when they try to turn the doorknob, this will keep spinning and they won't be able to open the door. And of course your gates for steps and any places that are dangerous.
Gates, I think, are something a lot of people think of. A doorknob is, we hear about kids being found in the middle of a street early in the morning because they're just at the age where they can touch that thing, it opens, and curiosity with a child to go outside. So what are the tips? What would be the first thing that you would tell parents to do? Is probably they sleeping?
Exactly. Look at the crib first, make sure the baby is safe in the crib. After that, when the baby starts crawling, which is around 9 months of age, and the baby starts picking up things with their pincer grasp and putting things in their mouth, they have to look for tiny things that the baby could possibly put in his or her mouth. And also, again, get down on your hands and knees, crawl around, look at baby's eye level to see what could possibly be dangerous for them.
I'm asking all parents to do this. Get down on your hands and knees and walk around and check things that baby might see too. Dr. Ocampo, thank you so much.
Thank you.